Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enter and exit full screen in Firefox and what's the corresponding shortcut for it. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Firefox and as we can see, I'm currently not in full screen. To activate full screen in Firefox we have two options. The first is in the menu. To do this, I click on the three bars at the top right corner and select this icon. Now full screen is activated in Firefox. In contrast to Chrome, I can bring back the Firefox menu in full screen by moving the mouse to the top of the screen. In this way, I can also deactivate the full screen in Firefox in the same way. The second way is to use the shortcut, which is not only available in Firefox but in all common programs. This shortcut is F11. And in this way, I can switch full screen on and off in almost all programs by simply pressing one button. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.